what's the difference between knitting and crocheting? On the crochet side, you will only need one needle, which is going to be your hook, and if you're starting, I would recommend you to use an 8mm hook, just because you will get results faster. It will also be a lot quicker than knitting, but it will spend a lot more yarn and your fabric is going to feel a little bit more structured. In crochet, you need to know 5 basic stitches, which are going to be the chain, the single crochet, the half double crochet, the double crochet, and the treble crochet. So I know it sounds difficult, but it's not, I promise. I decided to choose the bubble stitch, so just you can have an idea how it looks crocheting. So definitely a lot more structured, but it's really fun and you can do a lot of different things using crochet with so many techniques. And if you need some ideas for crochet projects, I will link my video so you can get some inspiration. On the knitting side, you will need 2 needles, and these can be straight or circular. With the circular needles, you can do plain knitting or like straight knitting and circular knitting, but on the straight needles, you can just work like straight. So the needle that you choose can define how the shape of the garment is going to be. You can also buy those circular needles that you can change the cables, and these are really good for 2 reasons. So you will be able to use those needles in other projects, and you will also be able to put your project on hold and work on something else. If you feel like knitting is going to be your hobby and you're really committed, I would recommend you to see this as an investment, because if you buy a really good set, it will save you a lot of money because you don't have to buy all these different needles. In knitting, you will also spend less yarn and the fabric is going to have more movements. But in the other side, it's going to take you much more time. I would also recommend you, just to keep you motivated, to buy 8mm needles, just because you will get results fast. And that helped me a lot in the beginning. In knitting, you will need to know some basics to start. So you need to know how to cast on, how to cast off, and how to do knit stitch and purl stitch. And if you know those things, you're good to go. I also decided to bring the bubble stitch so you can see and like compare how it looks with the 2 different methods. And if you're starting and need some ideas for knitting projects, I will link as well my video so you can get more inspiration. So let me know in the comments which one do you prefer, and if you're starting, let me know which one are you going to choose. As always, feel free to comment. I really love to talk to you guys, and if you like this video, give a thumbs up, subscribe so you don't miss anything, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!